Hi, I'm Phil Grandy, philsgang.com. This rally we're in now is unbelievable. I don't know why people are all excited about it. We haven't gone anywhere in 2 years. And listen to the happy talk.
Savings continue to be significantly elevated relative to where they were before the pandemic.
That's the fake business news network. They continue to lie about everything. And let's talk about the savings. Before the pandemic, savings was up 7%. When the pandemic hit and they flooded everybody with money, savings went up to 38%. After the pandemic, after COVID was done, savings dropped by 72%. That's a lie, what she's saying. That's just a total lie. Take a look at this market everybody's all excited about. This is the rally we just had. This was our April and May rally. So it went up 38%. Wait a minute. We're right at the same place we were 2 years ago. What are you, nuts? What's so exciting about that? And look at this. If you take a look at this rally over here, this was at the Spiders. This was the last rally we had before they shut off QE. And that was the rally from March 2020, right here, all the way up here until January 4th, 2022. And then it collapsed 38%. Or 30% on the S&P. The Qs, it collapsed 38%. Why? The institutions stopped buying because they stopped QE. They stopped zero rates. So it collapsed. Now the Qs, think about the Qs. So here we had our rally, okay? This is the March rally and the April, March to May rally, or March to, May rally right here. April to May. Now let's talk about that rally. First of all this happy talk's going on. Consumers are strong. We got all this new technology, this advanced technology, artificial intelligence, that's going to make all these four companies stronger than ever. What companies? Meta went up 100%, NVIDIA 98%, Apple 40%, Microsoft went up 43%. And now they're telling us they'll never come down again because of this artificial intelligence. And they're going to get all this money and buy all this intelligence. Well, remember, it costs money. Before they were paying for money 0%. Now they're paying 5.25%. Are you kidding me? They got to pay for that. And now, the ceiling. They're going to come to an agreement over the weekend, and when they do, we're going to have a huge rally. It's already baked in. Oh, we're going to have a soft landing. No, we're not. I'm going to show you why. We're not going to have a soft landing. First of all, here's reality right here. You want to know when the economy's really doing good? This is packaging. You know what a pallet is. When you're going to ship to somebody, let's say, some furniture, and you got to put it in a truck. You load it on a pallet, forklift comes in, lifts it up on that truck, right? I owned a pallet company years and years ago. In 2008, okay, look what happened. The pallet business tanked and the market crashed. Look at this. The pallet business now tanking. This is one of the best indicators ever, right there, okay? So that's what the economy's really doing. Stop listening to fake business news network. Look at this. This was our March rally. Look at the volume. Look at the volume in our May rally right now. About half that. What are you, nuts? These people are crazy. Also, think about this. Housing bubble. Remember the 2008 housing bubble collapsed? Well, guess what? In 2020, during the pandemic, they brought interest rates down. You could buy a house for 2-3% interest, and we had a huge boom. Right? Between 2020 and 2022, housing was going up 40, 50, 60%. Houses here in Sarasota were going up almost 70%, some of them. Now we're at 2023. Guess what's happening? Sales have tanked. Sales are tanking. Interest rates are going up. This bubble is ready to pop like this bubble. So, everything they're telling you right now is just a bunch of nonsense. It really is. So look, be careful. Be careful. Because what they're telling you, the fake business network, is not true. They're trying to rally a market, which is 4 stocks out of 4,000. What are you, nuts? That's not going to work. And now they got to get through the hardest part. As I said, remember, a 38% drop needs a 61% rally to get that money back. Yeah. And we're only up. We got 23% more to go, and we're going against the hardest headwinds ever. Look, for more information, for my stocks, my software, my education program, go to philsgang.com. Sign up free for 10 days. See you on the charts.